My name is O'Darlin.
And my name is Jackie.
And today we're gonna have so much fun.
We're gonna do circle time, story time, and some fun activities. Are you excited?
I sure am.
Are you excited?
I think they are.
Are you guys ready to go? Let's go!
Good morning, friends. I'm here again. I'm Miss Pam. Today we're going to do a simple experiment about the rain clouds. We need only few materials. We have the shaving cream, I have a food coloring, and I have here a glass of water. So first we're going to put shaving cream on top. Okay, then I'm going to put a watercolor. Let's see what will happen. And we're gonna make a rain clouds. We're gonna make a rainbow rain clouds. I'm gonna use red. Maybe we can use another color. I'm going to use okay, let's see. Right. And then we're gonna use green. I'm just going to put green in here. And then let's see what will happen next.
Wow.
Let's see if we're gonna make, oh, it's starting, right? You see, we made raindrops today. You see the colors? You see that in the bottom? So that's the rain clouds. We have only a simple experiment today. Do you like it, kids? I hope you like it. See you next time. Friends, this is what we did today. This is the rain clouds in the jar. You see that? It's beautiful. You can make this at home with your daddy and with your mommy if you want. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.
That was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Awesome, because I know I did.
If you guys want to have more fun with our Smart Start teachers, please come back tomorrow.
And make sure that you like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.